In today's video, I'm going to summarize an install that I did that I absolutely love. I like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I like the operation of it. And it is a carbon fiber steering wheel. I will link the full install video that I watched to it. So if you are going to do something similar, I will direct you to that video. This is just an overview of how I did this and how it looks. The company I purchased it from is in Australia, and I will link them at the description below. Anyway, here is a summary of the install of the carbon fiber steering wheel for my 2021 GMC Denali. Here's how the steering wheel came. It was boxed nicely. And then this is the steering wheel before I've unwrapped it. And here is the steering wheel. It's a beautiful carbon fiber and leather, perforated. It feels really nice and heavy and solid in your hands and comfortable. It's got grooves on the backside for your fingers, kind of like you would see in a high-end, European, like a BMW or a Mercedes vehicle. When removing the steering wheel, you're going to need to take out these two plastic tabs on the side to reach these bolts, and the plastic tabs just pop out. And you're going to be able to remove the airbag. In the back of the airbag, there's a couple connections here. You'll need to unclip those. And there's just these little red clips that you pull out first before removing the wire. There's two purple clips that you'll need to take out as well. They just pop out easily. And then here is the main screw for the steering wheel. Tools I used, I even used a hammer to loosen the nut a little bit, the screw. I used a hairdryer to loosen the Loctite that is on the screw, and I was finally able to break it loose. And this is what it looks like with the steering wheel out. Here's a picture of the old steering wheel. And here they are side by side. You can see the one on the right is a new one. It's sportier. It has a flat bottom. And basically they're both the same on the back side. It's plug and play. You're going to remove all the components of the old steering wheel and place them in the new steering wheel. It's very simple and kind of self-explanatory. Again, I'll link the video of the full install that I watched to do this, but here I am putting the pieces back together, the parts back together into the new steering wheel. Here's the new steering wheel installed. And then you're just going to clip the wires back into place. And here's the final result. And very, very happy with it. I love the look of it. I like the feel of it. It's very comfortable driving, and the heating element works amazingly well. So very happy with it. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to come out with more content like this on a weekly basis. And if you want to watch a really cool install on a modification I did that I absolutely love, watch this video here. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.